Okay, so I have ended up strapping this distortion pedal to my belt with a cable tie. I've got it plugged in at the moment, but obviously it needs to be battery. And then yeah, I just kind of get anything like this because I just use this not because it sounds amazing, but just because it's big and I can press it easily. So I don't have to look around to press it, and then like tape the settings down. And really, it's good with a Telly or a Les Paul, but my Telly at the moment is sorry, Telly or Strat, but my Strat at the moment is pretty knackered. So I'm using this, and I've got it like just set a bit louder than the clean. And then I often will use the volume with the overdrive just to like get more crunchy sounds. And then switch back to just, or just like lead full driven screaming kind of overdrive stuff. So the first song I've got here is Ain't No Stopping Us Now. So this is where I'd go straight in with the trying to play the chords and the melody bit. Pretty awkward, but yeah, just sort of try and differentiate between the verse. Then the try and just like have some other, just change it up a bit. And if you want to ever like chuck in another riff on the second verse.